Forever Lost donated $3. If Dream fought these MC YouTubers, he would instantly win, as they would all,
if Dream
by
fought
random chance, be struck by lightning. Then his prepubescent Twitter stands would...
Stop. We're not here for that. Okay, he picks such good soundtracks, and then he makes the animation fit so well with the soundtrack. Like,
the only thing that works in this world is that you treat others as...
I'm sorry for assuming, but that makes me even more hype. This is incredibly well done. Is she young? Do you know how old she is?
127 donated $5. Also, quick summary on canon. Phil's canonically is Wilbur,
Support me on
Tommy,
Patreon.
and Technoblade's father.
18, bro. Oh my god. When I see stuff like this, I'm like, dude, you have such a bright future ahead of you. And I just... Okay, I just wanna... So talented. Wow. Wow, let's go.
As they treat you. Those that have treated me with kindness, I will repay that kindness tenfold. And those
Does anybody want
that
another
treat
friend
me with
in chat?
injustice,
At Webby's the bestie. The bestie,
that
all of our
use
besties.
me, that hunt me down, that hurt my friends, I shall repay that injustice 1,000 times over.
Okay, that's pre-written. It must be.
Hey, Big Q.
There's no way it's not.
So the plan is simple. We find and we kill Technoblade.
Okay, wait, what is the compass? What is the compass? Can you put a tracker on someone in Minecraft and then the compass leads to it? You wrote a chat, it is chat. What? It leads to his house. Ah. I didn't even know that existed. That's insane. Also, I want to ask something, and pardon my ignorance. I know Technoblade is really good at like Minecraft PvP, right? Is he the one that is like much better than everyone else? Is everyone really similarly good? Are there tiers to this ish? Dream and Techno? Dude, that's so cool. He is unkilled. I can't imagine. I can't imagine being that good, you know? He like 1v30s them all. That's insane. Truly. Thank you for the subs, by the way. Welcome, and welcome back.
There's no other way. I choose blood!
No! Oh no! Run! Big you, do something! Big you! Stop! Stop!
You get away from that horse, Quackity!
Technoblade, drop everything, or I'm going to kill this horse right in front of you.
There are so many varies of levels when it comes to PvP, Dream and Techno being on top. Then you have amazing builders like Foolish and or Same Dude.
Foolish do know how to build. Sorry for pausing, but oh, is Carl the horse? Carl is his favorite horse. Why would you, Quackity? That's so rude.
I'm going to kill this horse right in front of you.
Not the horse, fight him!
You actually got it.
I just want to thank you and Offline TV for helping me get through a rough time and inspire me to start following my dreams.
Much love. Much love to you.
Bill, what did they do to you?
Carl with a C.
Technoblade has robbed our country of everything that made it special, of everything that defined what it was. What is Hunt doing? Big Q, pull the lever! Pull the lever, Big Q!
Big Q. No way. Debated.
Did you really think, Quackity, that you could kill me that easily?
Yeah, I mean, I kind of thought that too, to be honest. There's no way.
So much fucking damage to everything we've been building all a fucking long techno.
I have a pickaxe, and I'll put it through your teeth.
Hi.
You see, there's something telling me that I haven't shown anyone, not even Philza. I have been working on just a little hobby, Tom.
I'm sorry, the Philza part is kind of cute. Again, I don't know the relationships that well and stuff. Being like, I haven't shown anyone, not even Philza, like they're besties. That's so cute.
You see this wall? Welcome home,
so
Theseus!
Is it just a room of skulls? Okay. It's wither skulls. What does that do? Was this the most recent one? It was, right?